About to knock out a little workout. You know what? It's giving. Nah, I'm about to get a tummy tuck soon. It's the workout room. Come on, phone. It's actually cool. Pretty decent. It's what I need. All right, let's knock this out so we can get the day started.
I love her. I just wanna take her out and prove what a real man supposed to do. We can lay around and play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love her.
My bag went through. Do I? Oh no. My bag went through, but not me. Okay. Oopsie, thank you. How my bag go through, but not me? All right. I'm supposed to follow it too. Sweat. That was a journey. How do people do this every day? Y'all take the subway. Y'all gotta be at least getting in 5 miles a day. Apparently I'm like 8 minutes away from the hotel, so I'll pick y'all back up after I get there and get settled in. I hope the room is ready. So I gotta take another shower. Whoever's in that ambulance is probably gonna die. I've been walking and I've been like catching up to the ambulance. So at this point, just hop out and push them on the stretcher because they ain't gonna make it. It sounds so chaotic here. The sounds of a big city. It's been forever. So we made it to our new hotel. Don't know what we're staying at for the rest of the stay. This is the Town Place Suites, Chelsea, Manhattan. It's on West 28th Street. Okay. Cute bathroom, simple, straight to the point. Okay. And they were able to give me a balcony. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Balcony. Nice little greenery. It's like a shared balcony. Someone's next door, but yay, I can. What? Yo, you got That's me. Say hello. All right, which way we headed? Your food stand. Your we got $30. I'm good, thank you.
Oh, that was I don't even know where to go.
Right?
Start.
Where's everybody going? Where's the crowd? How do New Yorkers do this every day? That shit says 9.25 miles, 18,600. Y'all really have to like take the subway, walk, go up, walk some more, go down, go to the train, get off the train, walk. No. 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 How to no. I'm so tired of walking. My feet